Hi, my name is Kaitlyn here in Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, here to tell you all about teenagers' latest addiction, TikTok.
Ever since COVID-19 shut down the world, an entertainment app called TikTok has flourished. Taking over the screen time of many, TikTok has become one of the most popular entertainment apps for short videos. As the fastest growing app, TikTok has begun to take over the lives of many teenagers. Teens often spend hours a day on TikTok that their productivity in the day has significantly decreased. Senior at Downers Grove South, Taylor Pertile, explains how TikTok has impacted her life.
I would say TikTok affects me from being productive just because whenever I'm at home trying to do my homework or even at school during class, sometimes it's a little hard not to just start scrolling through TikTok. Then you get down that deep hole and then next thing you know, you're like 30 minutes in and you have not gotten any of your homework done.
TikTok is the newest addiction of teens. Many teens feel that they are unable to control how long they are on the app because of how addicting it is. Senior Paige Anaporic shares her perspective and reasoning as to why she has deleted the app.
I think I actually tried to delete it a couple times and I would just go back to it because it was over the summer. I didn't have a ton to do, but I deleted it right at the end of the summer just because I knew I would be starting school soon and it was just taking up way too much of my time and it was just too tempting to be on my phone. So I figured if I could just delete it altogether, it would save me a lot of time doing more productive things.
This has been Kaitlyn here in Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network.